Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Home Gardening. In this video, we will learn the easiest way to grow tomato seedlings. Tomato seeds can be sown throughout the year, but the best time to do their seedling is when temperature ranges between 10 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. For the potting mix, I have used 50% normal garden soil plus 30% organic compost plus 20% Cocopeat or fine sand. So you have to take fresh, ripe tomato available at home and then cut slices out of it and make a hole in the pot. Place a tomato slice and cover it with potting mix. Water the pot well and keep it in partially shaded area away from direct sunlight till seeds start to germinate. And after 15 to 17 days, you will get result somewhat like this. So here I am going to take out few plants from this glass and transplant some of them in this pot. So select healthy plants for transplanting to grow them further. Now make hole in the center and place your tomato seedlings or the new plants into the soil. Firmly press the soil around the plants to give support. Water the pot well for the first time and keep this pot in bright area away from direct sunlight for next 3 to 4 days. Afterwards, shift the pot to a place which gets direct sunlight of at least 6 to 7 hours. Friends, remember few things to get good result. Firstly, tomato soil should be moist all the time, but do not overwater as it may rot your new plants. Secondly, when plant starts blooming, then provide good quality fertilizer to it. I prefer to give organic fertilizer to my plants, especially vegetable plants, and I have already uploaded a separate video on organic fertilizer. If you want to know about it, then check my description box to find link of that video. So like this, you can grow or you can get fresh tomatoes at home. So friends, this was all for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your gardening lover friends and family, and if you are new to channel, do subscribe and hit bell button to never miss an update. We'll meet you all again with some new information. Till then, thank you and happy gardening.